What up? What up? What up? Of course, you know it's your boy Richie Rich, man. We here again at Consumer Appliance Report, shooting another video on the Samsung refrigerator. Now it's time for me to give you guys my overall review. But before we begin, you know I always got to do something before then. We got to hold up. Alright, cool. So now we're back at it again. Again, the Samsung refrigerator. I'm going to give you the overall review of what we think of it and give it our overall grade. What was that? Did y'all hear a funny noise? Was that a bird? I don't know. I heard something, but we good. Alright, let's talk about pricing. Alright, we talked about how much this appliance will cost you. Average price for this unit is about $4,000. Alright, so the grade that we probably gave this as far as pricing, we gave it a C. Alright, so from just all the functions and the features that you get in this particular appliance, we can discuss the refrigerator with the ice maker, we can discuss the dispenser, we can discuss the awesome door that it has where you can actually download certain apps, you can interact with it, you can take photos, you got a whiteboard, you can leave messages, you have cameras that you can communicate with an app that you can actually see inside of the refrigerator. So as far as the price on this particular appliance, all the features that comes with it, of course with the suicide doors up top and then the suicide doors at the bottom, the quad doors. So hey, pricing, we give it a C. That's about how much you'll pay as far as the price for this particular appliance. So we'll give it a C. Let's go to parts. So if we factor in parts, man, it's the compressor, evaporator, you have your ice maker, your evaporator coil, your evaporator fan assembly, and all that other stuff that we discussed in the parts in this particular video. You'll notice the price is extremely affordable, right? So the prices are affordable and they are available. So both of those we give it an actual A because of the affordability and availability. We always discuss in LG and Samsung videos, at times it can be difficult to get. For this particular appliance, they are affordable and they are available, so we're going to give it an A. Alright, so let's talk about the warranty. The warranty, it comes with the 1-year standard manufacturer warranty, so that's good, parts and labor. Alright, it also has a 5-year warranty, parts and labor. That's dealing with the seal system, that's dealing with the compressor, that's dealing with the evaporator, that's dealing with the condenser, stuff like that, the filters, anything to deal with the seal system side of it, that's dealing with the Freon portion, that comes with a 5-year parts and labor. Then of course you have your 10-year warranty on the compressor. Alright, so now that it seems to be, just from looking up different appliances and refrigerators, that seems to be industry standard. So we're not going to bump it up anything extra unless they give us something extra. So the warranty aspect of it, we're giving it a B. Alright, and now the final hoorah, as we say, for this is the features. I mean, you all seen the videos that we didn't shoot on this thing, man. The features are awesome. Awesome. I mean, you can go online, you can order food from Grubhub. I'm like, who can just sit in the house and say, you know what, let me press these buttons on my refrigerator, interact with my refrigerator, and order some food off of there. I mean, you can order a filter off of there. You can talk to it like Siri, communicate back and forth, voice command, all these different things. Like I said, you can interact with your phone with the camera, so you can actually look at the phone, see what's inside of your refrigerator without even actually going in your refrigerator. You can connect it to your Wi-Fi, of course, and then you have the door ring that everyone have on their home now. So instead of me walking to the door, I just go directly to my refrigerator, see who's at the door, bam, automatically you can say, well, you can come in or I'm on my way, something like that. You know what I mean? So they got a lot of features and functions that it has that you can actually get with this appliance. Of course, your standard ice maker and water dispenser and all this different stuff as well. So the features on there, we give it an A just because of everything that you can do with it. Alright, so let's go over this. Twitter? Dinging? Stop Twitter. Dang. So let's go over this overall review. Alright, let's finish this joint. So parts, we gave it an A. Price, we gave it a C. Features, we gave it an A. And warranty, we gave it a B. So we we add all this up, of course, our overall review with all the points that we have given into this particular appliance, we're giving it a B. Alright? And one of the main reasons why we're giving it a B is because of the overall price. It's extremely high to be paying for a refrigerator. $4,000 for a refrigerator. I mean, unless you just want something that's just out of this world, then yes, you're gonna pay some money. Alright, so with all the functions and features that you get, give it a C. I did look into some overall reviews from different customers from the Home Depot website. A lot of their complaints is that this refrigerator ice maker is giving a lot of issues and a lot of problems. It is a common issue with Samsung appliances as well. They have an issue with their ice maker, so you want to keep that in mind when you purchase this appliance. 2, you want to keep in mind that you have certain technicians that might come out. Depending on the company, you might have to go through Samsung themselves to be able to find someone to come out and repair their appliance if there's something wrong with it. Because a lot of guys don't really like working on Samsung, they don't want to deal with that. Alright, but other than that, like I said, it's a pretty decent refrigerator, man. Really nice. As far as the price, like I said, it's extremely high for that, but outside of that, everything else is pretty good. So alright, again, don't forget, man, it's me, your boy Richie Rich. Always subscribe to the channel, man. You help me, I help you, we help each other. Everything is going to be at the bottom of this video. And again, we at Consumer Appliance Report, thank you guys for your support, and always subscribe to the channel. It's me. I'm out. Peace.